This is a Chinese Olympiad. It's a challenge. This kind of problem is a challenge. Remember, it's a big test, so we have to apply all knowledge in this kind of problem. Okay, we have our class today, Mathematics Olympiad. We have this problem: 9 to the x power minus 6 to the x power equals 4 to the x power. Okay, how much is x? This is our problem here. So let's go and start it. I'm going to start I'm gonna keep all the step here. All right. So next step here, for next step should be 9 here, 9 to the x power. See the problem? 9 to the x power minus 6 to the x power equals 4 to the x power. All right. So first, I would like maybe you are able to do everything about about maths, to apply all rules. Just must to be right in the rules that you applied it here. So in this case, I'm going to divide everything by 4x. Okay, 4x divide by 4x here. So then cancel here, right? Cancel this. And then here we have, I want to write some rules, very important, these rules here, remember. For instance, you have a to the n power divided by b to the n power. This is equals, this rule is like to a divided by b to the n power, right? So now here, this is going to be here, we are going to have 9 to the x power minus 6 to the x power actually no, let's simplify here. Simplify this. We are going to have here 9 to the x power divided by 4. Divided by 4. Just write it applying this kind of rule to the x power. See the rules. All right, minus, then next is going to be 6 here, 6 again, 6 divided by 4, just applying this rule, okay, right here, equals 1. All right, so here you can divide it by 2, simplify these two problems, and then if you simplify here, in this case we are going to have here 3 to the second power and then 2 to the second power to the x exponent minus, and then here just divided by 2, here simplify here, so 3 divided by 2, so divided by 2, okay, here to the x power equals 1. But just nothing, just is the same. Let me write another rules here. Here is very important to write this kind of rule, because we have to be smart in this. So im to the n power equals is like to a m n, yeah, equals just like this, a n to the m power. So now just write it here, write it 3 half to the second power. See, write a crochet here to the x power. Same thing here is 3 divided by 2 to the x power equals 1. Right? See? So we are here. I will continue right here. Another lines here. So next step here. Next should be open crochet 3 to divided by 2 to the x power right here, everything to the second power, minus 3 divided by 2 to the x power equals 1. Right? So now let here write 3 here, 3.5 here to the x power equals y. I going to y right here, right? So doing it, I got to write an equation here. Let's write here then y to the second power minus y equals 1. Yeah, you solve this. When you solve this, you're gonna have this y to the second power minus y equals 1. Yeah, it's all right. So next step here, next step should be y to the second power minus y, and then you move it, this side 1 is going to be 0. All right. So now you have your problem with in this form. Remember this form: ax to the second power minus bx plus c. Yeah, it's this way. So now you remember this formula, this little formula, by this formula here. It's another formula. Just write y equals negative b plus minus. So quadratic formula here, quadratic formula. This is a quadratic formula, just b to the second power minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay? When in this case we have a is equals, let's use different color here. How much is a here? A, this a is equals 1 and b is equals negative 1, and c is equals negative 1. Right? So simplify the formula. Simplify all these formula. We are going to have this is y equals negative 1 plus minus square root of what? Negative 1 to the second power minus 4 times 1 times negative 1. Okay? Divided by 2 times 1. Okay? You multiply, simplify the formula. We are going to have here, here y equals 1 plus minus square root number 5 divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. All right. Then y here, look at this, y is going to be here equals 1 plus square root number 5 divided by 2, right? Come, and then the other one is 1 minus square root number 5 divided by 2. So keep in your mind that data. So now continue with our problem. So next step here, we are gonna have 3 divided by 2 to the x power equals, look at this number, 1 plus square root number 5 divided by 2, and then 3 half equals 1 negative square root 5 divided by 2. Okay? Alright, so next step, you multiply this like this. Multiply those, you check it out, those, and then you are going to have here these little chains here, log, we're going to have 3 half here of 3 half to the x power equals log, well, I mean this 3 half 1 plus square root number 5 divided by 2. Okay, so now next step, so remember the rule. I'm gonna write this rule here again. So log here, log, this is a rule, ba squared, this is equals x log times log ba. All right, this is the rule. So now we are able to write it right here, x log 3 half or 3 over 2. 3 over 2, 3 over 2. Okay, equals here, no, 3 over 2, 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Okay, you apply this. You are going to have here log c. Remember this root c is equals 1. Okay, right? So I'm going to erase the first part to continue because I'm not finished here. So let me erase it. I'm going to erase this. I think it's okay. Now I don't need it more. So we're there. So we will continue here. After that, just write it here. Look at this x1 here. So it's equals log log 3 over 2, 1 plus square root 5 divided by over 2. Okay. Now another rule that is very important to write right here is log b a. Remember, is equals here log m a. So over log m b. Okay, when you have that, then we are going to have x here. So now x is equals here log of 1 plus square, no, it's, I need more space here. So 1 plus log 5 divided by 2, right here. Okay, over log 3 over 2. Okay, another rules I would like to write. So this is very important. Remember log this root AB, okay, is equals log A, all right, minus log B. All right. Let's erase it here. All right, we are here now. Just write it right here. Log is going to be log here. Log of 1 plus square root 5, like that, minus log 2, and then here over log 3 minus log 2. Okay, this is going to be equals here log you solve the problem, you're gonna hit 3.236 minus log 2 over log 3 minus log 2. You solve, we are gonna have here x. Okay, right? Almost on x log 3.236 no, let's simplify this. Already done. So 3 right here, just what is log 3.36 is going to be 0.51 minus 0.0301, yeah, divided by here 0.47, log 3 is 47.21, 42 minus this 0.307. Okay, simplified here is going to be you simplify, it's going to be here equals, you subtract, s equals 0.209 divided by 0.176, yeah, it is. So then this is equals 1.68, no, it's not 68, it's 1.1868. All right, so x is equals 1.1868. all right, this is x. This is our question. You want to check, you just check out our work. Check your work. You check your work. You have 9 to the x minus 6 to the x power equals 4x. So just write the numbers right there. So write it 9 to the 1.1868 minus 6 to the 1.1868 equals 4 to 1.1868. all right, so then here 9 to the 1.1868 is equals 13.567. okay, minus 6 to the 1.1868 is going to be 8.3851. okay, I'm going to move more this side because I don't have a space right here, but I don't want to erase this, so just I write here 3 because I need to, you see exactly the numbers, 8.3851 equals. So now in that side, this side, it's very important because I'm checking my job. So the other side we have 5.1823. okay, and now subtract this. You subtract, we are going to have here 5.1822. see, here is close, very close, we are fine. So similar, so to the 5.1823. see, so it is the same.